For the last 2 years, artificial intelligence lived inside a text box. Today, AI is moving into the physical world, learning to navigate, manipulate, and construct objects in our shared reality. To make that leap, the computing industry had to solve a massive math problem. The primary bottleneck in AI has shifted from training, teaching a model how to think, to inference. Inference is the continuous computing power required when an AI actively reasons, plans, and executes a task in real time. This chart tracks the projected demand for AI computing infrastructure. While the initial surge for training peaked around $500 billion, NVIDIA projects that building the hardware to run these active inference workloads will drive $1 trillion in demand by 2027. At the 2026 GTC conference, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang argued that processing that trillion-dollar workload using traditional computing models would drain the global power grid. Efficiency at this scale required a different approach to architecture. NVIDIA has moved away from simply selling individual chips. Instead, they have designed a 5-layer computing stack built to mass-produce intelligence. When an autonomous system operates in a factory or on a road, it cannot guess. To operate safely, an AI needs an absolute ground truth to anchor its logic, the millions of organized records, spreadsheets, and databases that represent the verified facts of an enterprise. To process this instantly, NVIDIA developed QDF and QVS. These tools allow GPUs to search massive tables of structured data at lightning speed, forming Layer 1. To run them globally, you need a high-speed hardware engine. This is Layer 2. This layer is defined by the Vera Rubin platform, paired with the Grok 3 LPX, a processing unit designed specifically for inference. Together, this engine processes data while delivering 10 times the performance per watt of previous systems. By locking an ultra-efficient inference engine directly on top of a verified data foundation, NVIDIA has created the machinery required to run a new type of industrial facility. Data centers are shifting into Layer 3, AI factories, specialized facilities designed for continuous manufacturing rather than passive data storage. The economics of these facilities are straightforward. The factory pulls in electricity, runs it through the hardware engine, and manufactures tokens. A token is a piece of a word, a pixel, or a logical decision. These manufactured tokens fuel Layer 4, Agentic AI. These are autonomous digital workers that string logic together to solve problems independently. To manage this workforce, NVIDIA released OpenClaw and its enterprise version, NemoClaw. These provide a secure framework that allows digital agents to reason, plan, and execute tasks across a company's internal network, functioning like an operating system for autonomous software. This setup allows the AI factory to produce a tireless digital workforce capable of running global enterprise software around the clock. All of this computational power serves one final goal. The 5th layer is physical AI, the point where these intelligent systems move from servers into the physical world. To translate digital logic into physical movement, NVIDIA built Alpamayo 1.5, a model that allows vehicles to perceive their surroundings and reason through complex traffic. This software is currently being integrated into autonomous fleets for BYD and Uber. Because testing heavy machinery in the real world is risky, engineers use NVIDIA's Omniverse platform and Newton physics engine to simulate gravity and friction. Humanoid robots can learn and perfect their movements in these hyper-realistic virtual environments before a single physical motor turns. The results of this training were on display at GTC, where 110 different autonomous robots operated simultaneously, including complex physics-aware models like Disney's Olaf character. Navigating the physical world proves that NVIDIA's 5-layer stack can safely perceive and act in the same messy reality we share. NVIDIA has moved from being a provider of graphics components to the foundational architect of the world's computing infrastructure. This architecture defines the agentic era, a shift where intelligence is manufactured in factories, deployed through digital workers, and embodied in physical machines. In this environment, companies using autonomous agents for software and physical logistics operate with a speed and scale that traditional, manually driven workflows cannot match. The projected $1 trillion in demand reflects the massive capital investment required to build the computing base for an autonomous economy. Which of these 5 layers, from structured data to physical robotics, do you think will have the most immediate impact on your industry? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies building our future.